Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and today, good morning. Today is part 12 of Anna Griffin's Simply Noel scrapbook kit. She did show 4 double page layouts, and I didn't use any of them, and they're very pretty. So there's some ideas for you. And this is what the album looks like, and we're going to go through it and have a whole walkthrough after I make, I think, 2 more videos. So yeah, so let's get started. This is what we're going to make today, and if you want to screenshot it, go ahead. And it's the holly paper, and then tomorrow is on the back, and that is tomorrow's. So that's what the paper looks like on the back, but this is what we're doing today. So let's walk through what we need to pull from the kit, and let's get started. So we need 2 3x12 cardstock from the stash. We need 2 of these, 1 for each page. We need 2, 1 for each page of the green this size. 2 journaling cards, 1 for each page. We're using the word blessing and wonder. We are using 3 of these for each page. And we are using 2 of these for each page, and they're going the opposite directions on this one. Yeah. And 1 of these for each page. So let's get this one out of the way and work on this one, and let's see if this is going up, so let's make sure the paper's going up, and let's pull this so that we can copy it. So let me see what I did. How far down did I come? I came down 1.5 inches, so I actually started 4.5 down. So okay, so we have 1.5 of just the holly, then we have the 3-inch. Then if you don't want to use the green, if you don't want to use that green, which it does pop better, you could always use that green. But we came down 1.5 inches from the top so that it looks like it's like a double border. So I'm just going to line it up like this. Oh, it's already crooked. Let's see. There we go. And then this piece goes in the middle of that. Let's see if this holly goes one way or the other, and it doesn't. So it makes it easy. So I'm just lining it up instead of getting my ruler out, because I know I measured the first one, but this one I'm just lining it up. There we go. Then we use the word blessing. Let's take all the little pieces out. Let's see. I think I got them all. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and right in between the S's is the middle. And we're actually just going to line it up on the top of this green and white sheet of paper, and we're going to put the S right in the middle of the 6 and put it down. That way it's balanced. I'm going to get these 2 pieces and we are going to find my tape. Where's the tape? There it is, underneath the other sheet of paper. Let's do all 4 corners, and middle. And while we have it, let's go ahead and do the journaling. So the first one, we just came over and put it right about there. And we went high so that we could line up the journaling card and have the journaling card. The journaling card's actually in the middle of that, so we put it here. This one, we just lined up and had it the same. No, it's actually goes right about here. It's wider over here than over here, which is fine and looks good. So there we go. So now what did we do? Get our pieces. We have this piece, and we have it just like that. And then we have one of the round ones, and well, I say it's round, but it's not. It's a cluster of holly, and we just put it like that. Then we have these 2 pieces, and then this. So we're going to put this one down. So this one is going this direction, and we have it about here. That way it shows, and then I'm going to put the holly down first, so I'm in the right measurement, and I'm going to put it there, but I'm not going to stick it all the way down, so I'm going to put this holly. Let's see, that works that nicely, and then so let's see how we're going to put this one down before we stick it all. So we're going to have a gap in between, but the holly's going to hide that gap. So this is going right about here, and it is a little bit different in space. Could have brought it in some if you want, but I'm happy with that. And we're going to go right like that. So there you go. Let me bring it up so you can see a little better. Okay, so we did this one. Now let's do the second one. Let's bring it over and do the second one. Now tomorrow we're going to use the back of this, but it doesn't have a real direction to worry about, so that's nice. So let's peel this off. I prepped, and you see I'm not using a lot of tape, only one on each edge. And remember, we're coming down 1.5 inches, and we're going to stick this right here. Let's pull it and lay straight. We're going to do this piece. And then the only thing different about this page is we do opposite photo mat and all. So let's stick that there, right down the center. Now let's do the word wonder. Blessings and wonder. You could use whatever words you want. You can change out the words if you don't like what I chose. This is just giving you ideas. Taking all these little stickers off to the side. So the middle is in between the N and the D, and we're going to 6 inches, and we're going to put it on there. I learned that in 4-H and 4th grade. Okay, let's tape these down and we're almost done. This was quick and easy today. The whole album you can do in a day if no one's bugging you and just have a lot of good music on. But I've taken a few days to make sure to make it look good as possible. So we're going to put this one right about there. We're going to put this one right here. And this is going in the middle there. And I already remember how to do this because we just did it on the other page. So I know this one is going here. And I don't even need to really stick it under because this big holly bush really hides that. So let's do this. I think we could twist them to make them look as good as possible. So I'm going to put this one right about there. I'm going to add the first cluster right about here. And then I'm going to add that cluster about, it would go about there. So I'm going to then do the second sticker. And I'm going to turn it, this one's turned backwards the wrong way. I'm going to turn it like this. And I'm going to have it twist a little, and I'm going to put it there and see the gap. And then we're just going in between the gap of those two stickers. We are going to then put the holly and stick the holly together. And there we go. So let me show you. And that is our 2-page layout for today. I hope you like it, and I'll give you a sneak peek of tomorrow's. It's very quick and easy, and if you want to screenshot it, there you go. Okay, everybody, have a blessed day. Thank you for following me. Make sure you subscribe and like, and please leave me a comment. Bye-bye.